Today, let's look at some of the alarming aspects of AI technology, specifically deepfakes, scams, and criminal activities. Let's uncover the dark side of AI. First, a little history. The video rewrite program, developed in 1997, was a pioneering project in the field of digital video manipulation. It enabled the modification of existing video footage to make a person appear as if they were speaking words from a different audio track. This was achieved by analyzing the relationship between the sounds produced by the subject and the corresponding facial movements, allowing realistic lip syncing without the need for reshooting.
Video rewrite synthesizes video of a person mouthing words they never spoke.
This is video rewrite. My face is Ellen's. My voice is Michelle's. Ellen did not say these words. Michelle did. The lip sync is synthetic. We'll explain how we did this.
Video rewrite builds a database of a person speaking naturally. Then, given new audio, a new video is automatically synthesized of the person speaking new words. Video rewrite does this without manual intervention and without complicated 3D models. We describe the analysis stage first. Video rewrite uses speech recognition and computer vision techniques to analyze the training data.
Changed you be into a flounder in the sea.
It labels the training video with speech segment boundaries, with facial pose, and with lip and chin positions.
This innovation led to the groundwork for the development of deepfake technology. Deepfakes are AI-generated videos or audio recordings that convincingly mimic real people. While they can be used for entertainment, they also pose a significant risk.
We know the value of voting Democratic when our votes count. It's important that you save your vote for the November election. We'll need your help in electing Democrats up and down the ticket. Voting this Tuesday only enables the Republicans in their quest to elect Donald Trump again. Your vote makes a difference in November, not this Tuesday. If you would like to be removed from future calls, please press 2 now.
Deepfakes can spread misinformation, damage reputations, and even influence political events. For instance, in 2018, a deepfake video of President Obama was created, raising awareness about misinformation.
Killmonger was right, or Ben Carson is in the sunken place, or how about this? Simply, President Trump is a total and complete dipshit. Now, you see, I would never say these things, at least not in a public address, but someone else would. Someone like Jordan Peele. This is a dangerous time. Moving forward, we need to be more vigilant with what we trust from the internet. It's a time when we need to rely on trusted news sources. It may sound basic, but how we move forward in the age of information is going to be the difference between whether we survive or whether we become some kind of fucked up dystopia. Thank you. And stay woke, bitches.
More recently, in 2022, a deepfake video falsely depicted Ukrainian President Zelensky urging his troops to surrender.
Бути президентом виявилося не так вже й легко. Я змушений приймати складні рішення. Спочатку я вирішив повернути Донбас. Настав час глянути правді у вічі. Не вийшло. Стало тільки гірше. Значно гірше. Більше немає ніякого завтра. Принаймні у мене. І тепер я приймаю ще одне складне рішення.
Scammers are leveraging AI to create realistic phishing emails and voice calls. In 2019, a UK-based energy firm CEO was impersonated using an AI-generated voice cloning, leading to a fraudulent transfer of €220,000. Criminals are utilizing AI for hacking, tracking, and planning crimes. Europol has warned about the growing threat posed by AI-driven crime, highlighting how organized crime gangs are leveraging advanced technology to enhance their operations. To combat these issues, stringent regulations are necessary. Governments and organizations worldwide are working on frameworks to ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial to stay informed and advocate for responsible AI use. We must ensure that technology serves humanity, not harms it. Till next time, tot ziens.